Good evening students, welcome to class 7th maths. Today I am going to teach you part 2 of practice set 9. In my last video I have already completed 1 to 6 sums. Now today I will start 7th sum. 100 divided by 60. You cannot divide 100 by 60. 100 divided by 60 will be written in the ratio form, because this is the fractional form of division that you are learning. 100 divided by 60 will be written as 100 upon 60. So here 0 get cancelled. Now when you are cancelling zeros here, last year when you was in class 6, you have already studied percentage lessons, that how to cancel zeros. If in denominator place if 1 0 is there, so you have to cancel only 1 0 both in numerator and denominator. In numerator 2 zeros are there and in denominator 1 0 is there. So 1 0 you have to cancel both in numerator and denominator. So it becomes 10 upon 6. Now 10 upon 6, which table is going, you have to see that. 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6. You have to write in multiplication form. 10 and 6 both the numbers are divisible by 2. So you have to write in multiplication form. 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6. 2 get cancelled. Any number divided by the same number, your quotient is 1. 2 divided by 2, answer is 1. So you are getting 5 upon 3. 5 ones are 5, 3 ones are 3. Next one, 9 divided by minus 54. Again you have to write in ratio form first. 9 divided by minus 54 will be written as 9 upon minus 54. Denominator you have the negative sign. If you have denominator negative sign, you have to make the numerator number negative sign. Means you have to put the numerator number in negative sign. 9 upon minus 54 become minus 9 upon 54. Now this both numbers is divisible by 9. 9 already is smaller number. 54 is greater number. So 9 is divisible by 54. So you have to write in multiplication form. So in numerator minus 9 is there. You have to take 1 plus and 1 minus in multiplication. 9 into minus 1, because plus into minus is minus. You have to use the sign formulas. 9 into minus 1. 9 almost are 54. 9 6 are 54. So 9 get cancelled. Minus 1 into 1 is equal to minus 1. 6 ones are 6. So your answer is minus 1 upon 6. Next one, 78 divided by 65. First you have to write in ratio form. 78 divided by 65 will be written as 78 upon 65. You cannot do in this all this division in the simple division. You have to follow the rules and you have to do in practice set 9. Before practice set 9 in textbook what example is given, you have to follow the rules and you have to do that kind of division, not the simple division which you studied in 3rd and 4th standard. 78 divided by 65 will be written as 78 upon 65. Now denominator 65 is there. First you have to divide 65 by 5. See what answer you are getting. 65 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. 5 you have to bring it down. 5 3s are 15. So your quotient is 13. So if you are getting quotient 13 over here, so number 65 is divisible by 5 and 13. If this number is divisible by 13, 78 number also will be divisible by 13, because when you say the 13 table you will get the answer. You should know the 13 table. I have divided already over here. See, look here. 78 divided by 6 when you do, you will get the quotient 13. 78 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. 8 you have to bring it down. 6 3s are 18. So again you got quotient 13 over here. So both this numerator and denominator number is divisible by 13. So now you have to write in multiplication form. Look over here. You have to take 6 into 13. First one. Numerator 78 is there. So you have to take 6 into 13 upon now 65. You have to write divisor multiply by quotient when you write multiplication form. 5 multiply by 13. You have to write in denominator. 65 number is there in denominator. So you have to write it over here. 5 multiply by 13. Now 13 and 13 both number is divisible by the same. 78 upon 65 is divisible by 13 number. So 13 get cancelled. So 6 ones are 6. 5 ones are 5. Now your answer is 6 upon 5. Now last sum will do 10th one. Minus 5 divided by minus 315. You have to write in ratio form first. Minus 5 divided by minus 315 will be written as minus 5 upon minus 315. Now the quotient of two negative integers becomes positive. Minus minus become plus. So now in denominator 315 is there. The unit place you have 5. So 315 is divisible by 5. So both number you have to take a multiplication form in 5 table. Because 315 is divisible by 5. I already divided here. See 315 quotient what you are getting. 5, 6 are 30. 1 minus 0 is 1. 5 you have to bring it down. So it becomes 15. 5 how much are 15? 5 3s are 15. So your quotient is 63. So 5 table, 5 how much are 5? 5 1s are 5. When in numerator and denominator both the numbers is going by same table, you have to write in multiplication form and you have to do the cancellation. 5 1s are 5. 315 now here I already divided. You have to write divisor into quotient, that is 5 multiplied by 63. 5 how much are 315? 5 63. 5 into 63. Okay, 5 get cancelled again. So your answer is 1 upon 63. Now we'll do second question. Write 3 divisions of integers such that the fractional form of each will be 24 upon 5. So here 24 upon 5, the 3 pairs you have tried, your answer should be 24 upon 5. Now numerator and denominator what number is given here, that number table you have tried first. I am going to show you the simple method. So you have to follow that. If it is easy you can do that also method. Very simple method I am teaching. If you don't know. If you are writing any 3 pairs of fractional form of, your answer should be 24 upon 5. Any 3 pairs of divisions of integers when you are writing, your answer should be what? 24 upon 5. So first you have to write 24 table. Because numerator is 24 and denominator is 5. 24 table I have written here. When you write 24 table in multiplication form, always chosen one answer you have to take. Suppose if I take 24 4s are. So you have to take here 96. Numerator you have to take the number 96. Because 24 4s are 96. If you are taking 24 4s are, you have to take 5 table also 5 4s are. Because both the numerator and denominator number should be you have to write in multiplication form in the same number. So if you are writing 24 fours are over here, you have to take 5 fours are. 5 fours are how much? You have to choose the answer one. 5 fours are 20. Now you have to write in multiplication form. 96, know which number I have taken multiplication form. I have taken 24 fours are. So write here multiplication form. 24 into 4. And 5 table, which I have taken 20 over here. 5 fours are. 5 into 4. So 4 gets cancelled. Remember this when you are writing this number 3 pairs, so that your answer should be 24 upon 5. When you are writing this number in 3 pairs to get 24 upon 5, you have to write the multiplication form the same number, and you have to choose the answer one, the table which you are writing. 24 fours are 96, 5 fours are 20. 4 get cancelled, so I got one pair 24 upon 5. So remaining 2 pairs you have to choose yourself. One I taught you. Same thing third question also. Minus 5 upon 7. 5 table I already written over here. If I take 5 6 are. 5 6 are is how much? 30. So chosen answer you have to write here. You have to choose the answer yourself. This type of sum you have to do it by your own. You have to do in an optional form, and you have to do it on your own. So 5 6 are how much? 30. Answer what is there? You have to choose yourself what you want to like, which number you want to like to do sum. You can choose any number, but in answer part, not in multiplication part, but in answer part, after you are writing the numbers in multiplication form, means after you are writing the numbers in table. So 5 6 are 30. So 30 number you have to take in numerator. 5 how much are 30? I have taken 6 are. So denominator 7 is there. If I have taken 5 6 are, you have to take 7 6 are, because in 5 table I have taken 6 are. So in denominator if 7 is there, 7 also you have to take 6 are, because both the numerator and denominator should be multiplied by same number. 7 6 are how much? 42. So write here 42. You have to take numerator negative sign, because in third question numerator 1 is given negative sign, minus 5 is given. So you have to take numerator number negative sign and you have to solve. 5 how much are? 30. 5 into minus 6, because you have to use the sign formula plus into minus. Plus into minus become minus. Then 42, here denominator which is there, 7 is there. So 7 how much are? 42. 7 6 are. Here table what you wrote, that number you can write multiplication form, and this is very easy method. 6 and 6 get cancelled. So 5 into minus 1. Plus into minus is minus. 5 ones are 5. 7 ones are 7. That's it. Other two pairs of this you have to do it on your own. Thank you.